the time is right for taking the train instead of that flight. Going more places, really getting around. So nice taking off and never leaving the ground. All aboard, all aboard, all aboard Amtrak. All aboard, all aboard, all aboard Amtrak. So much comfort, so much to see. Travel the way travel should be. Superliners, come see what we've done, making getting there part of the fun.